We're trying to catch Jessica Sophia rolling. She's 4 months old and wearing her sports outfit. And we're seeing if she can roll. There go the legs. Go ahead. Go ahead, roll it.
Come on, Jess.
Give her some encouragement, Daddy.
Jessica, come on over here. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come here. Come here. Come here, Daddy. Come here.
There's Daddy.
Come on over.
Let's see if she'll go. There go the legs.
Come on. Good girl. Keep going. Keep going.
She's halfway. She's halfway. Can she do it? Yes. Yay, Jessie.
Good job, Jessica.
Even Dolly's
Good
excited.
job. Way to go. There's a smile.
Ooh.
Yeah.
Do we have a smile for the camera? Yay, Jess.
job.
Good job on your rolling.
I did a good job on my rolling.